What's going on, everybody? It's Marsellis here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about crypto in general because everybody is saying that we're about to go into another crypto crash, and I really don't believe that it's about to crash. And I don't believe that because we just been seeing too much growth, and a lot of different places have been accepting crypto, and a lot of different things have been coming up in the crypto world. So right now it looks like we're trading sideways. Ultimately it's going down a little bit, but I feel like if we do drop, we're not going to drop any lower than what we were before. And like before this whole jump, before this week, we were really right down here, and this is just Ethereum Classic. I mean, everything else is really going on the same pattern. Everything else is trading sideways. We have Bitcoin here. Bitcoin's been trading sideways for the longest time, and yeah, everything is just consolidating at a certain price. But I feel like overall we're gonna go up on the long run. Like Dogecoin here, we just keep getting different highs and different lows on Dogecoin. I really do feel like Dogecoin is one of those coins that doesn't follow the market. Like even if Bitcoin goes down, Dogecoin will still go up. And Ethereum Classic has kind of been doing the same thing, because people would think that Ethereum Classic is following Ethereum, but that's not the case. If you go over here, Ethereum is really, it's in a different place than Ethereum Classic, and just the way that it goes up in weird movements. Like it jumps, it drops, it jumps, it drops. But then you come over here to Ethereum Classic, and it's more subtle in Ethereum Classic. As you can see, a month ago, it just started to shoot up way high, and there's not a bunch of ups and downs like there is with Ethereum. You can see there's up and downs here, but it's only within the past week. Ethereum's been doing the same thing for years, but Ethereum Classic is on a much different scale right now. So honestly, I don't think we're in a crash. I think that we're gonna get a little bit of a bubble. Yes, we're gonna go down some. I would say at the most we could go down 25%, but I don't know, because if all the big investors sell out because they're getting spooked about what everyone's saying, then we could definitely have something similar to a crash. But if you come back here to look at what Bitcoin did, Bitcoin was already at 19,000 before, and then it just started dropping from 2017 all the way down, and then it finally hit its real low around 2018. So I would say about almost a full year, about 9 months, Bitcoin just went down, 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 and down, and then it stopped. And then right here, it just goes up and up and up, and it's kept going. So yeah, if we do get a crash in crypto, we are gonna go right back up. But I would say give it about half a year before it goes up enormously like it did before. But either way, Bitcoin in the long term is gonna keep going up. And all cryptos, they're just gonna keep going up because it's the new currency. People would rather have that than actual cash. And crypto is actually treating people better than stocks right now, because the stock market is going crazy right now and crypto is going up. And yeah, it's trading sideways, but I really do feel like before we crash, we're definitely gonna see huge jumps. Like I would say expect Bitcoin to go to at least 60K before we actually crash. I mean, people are trying to say that we're going to crash now, but I just don't see it happening with all the news coming around crypto. Everything's happening so fast, and it just I don't know. I can't see everything dropping more than 10%, 25%. If things do drop, they will definitely come back up in the long term. And for short term, like you can see here, Litecoin, it reached its height. So yeah, I kind of do see what people are saying. It doesn't want to get past this one point. There's just resistance around 237. So I think we could have a crash, but not necessarily a crash. It's just going to be a correction. Like Litecoin, if Litecoin has a correction, expect it to go down to about here. It's going to go down about 30%, 50%. But it sounds bad, but once you really, really think about it, it's actually good, because if you have cash in hand and it goes down, you can just buy the dip. And then once it goes back up, like it always does, like everything always goes back up. Like this was high, went low, back up, low again, back up. So what does it have to do? It has to go low again, or we might reach all the way up here to these highs. So like I said, all crypto usually follows each other, but you know, the altcoins are different. Dogecoin is different, and there's a lot of different coins, but really Ethereum and you could say Bitcoin, they definitely follow each other, but Ethereum Classic is definitely one of its own. So I don't think everything will completely crash, but I definitely think that we can see a correction soon. So watch out for that. Make sure you have cash in hand, so whenever there's a dip, you can buy it. And if you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe, and I'll be back at it with another video.